Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brian in North Carolina on this Truckerized Ranger RCI 99N4. Brian got it ready to go for you, bud. All my mods, power upgrades, clarifier mod, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade, cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive, modified SRA 198, you name it, it's got it. Okay, high cut filter, 10 kilohertz jump right there on the back. Let's get to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got set about 25 watts all the way down in case you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up, right about 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing to over 210 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 590 peak. And keep in mind that he is with using this noise canceling mic. Got you all fixed up. Look forward to meeting you, my friend. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Brian, you got wise and got truckerized. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.